Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. I am Shweta Mudgal, a representative of Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Students, today we will start with GK. This is the cover page of your book. Take out your books and pencils and get ready. Students, let's start with the chapter 8, that is birds facts. Birds are our most enchanting species among the animal kingdom. They all have different kind of feathers, patterns, beak, colors, and watching bird is a very delightful activity. Let's discuss some birds which are given here. The pictures given below, we will identify them one by one and write down their names. It is found in Cuba. It weighs 0.056 ounces and it is on an average 2.75 inches in length. इसकी length 2.75 inches होती है on an average. Name is male bead hummingbird. Number 2, fastest swimming bird. It is found on the Antarctic islands. Islands mean which is surrounded by water from all sides. It can swim at a speed of 40 km per hour. It is flightless birds, means cannot fly naturally. That is Gentoo penguin. Okay. The number 3rd is bird with the longest bill. As you can see, the bird has a bill which is 13 to 18.5 inches. Such a long bill. Chonch. It is the largest pelican in the world. Pelican is the largest water bird. Name Australian pelican. Now number 4, the largest carnivorous bird means who feed on other animals. These extinct flightless, again flightless birds with arms instead of wings were found in South America and had an estimated body height of 3 meters, that is Brontosaurus. Heaviest flying bird, heavy body होती है. This bird is called paw of northeastern and southern Africa and the great bustard of Europe and Asia. Asia is one of the continent. It weighs about 40 to 42 pounds. Name Kori bustard. And the 6th is bird with nostril on its beak. इसके nostril कहाँ होते हैं? इसके beak में होते हैं. This is the only bird with nostrils at the tip of its beak. This is the only bird, remember it. This is the only bird. It is the national bird of New Zealand. It is also a national bird of New Zealand. Like our national bird, peacock. It is kiwi. Number 7, best talker bird, बोलने वाला, जैसे कि parrot. This bird has been called the perfect mix of brains and beauty. Means a perfect combination of brains and beauty. Means intelligent as well as beautiful. Perfect combination. दोनों चीज़ें उसमें होती हैं. Intelligent bird भी है और beautiful bird भी है. While other many parrots learn some words or phrases. जैसे कि जो parrots होते हैं कुछ words और phrases याद कर सकते हैं. But it, who? African grey parrot can learn multiple lines of songs, prayers or plays. Such a beautiful bird, na? Bird without food, who can live without food for many days. It can pass several months without feeding on the frozen waste of the Antarctic sea ice, that is penguin. It is the largest wingspan of any living bird. Wingspan means a maximum extent of wings of a bird. Like I am giving you an example. This is my hand span, which is measured from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the smallest finger. तो दिस इज़ माई हैंड स्पैन. तो जो बर्ड्स का विंग स्पैन होगा वो उसकी विंग्स को जब वो खोलेगा तो उसके एक टिप से लेकर दूसरी टिप के बीच का जो मेजरमेंट होगा दैट इज कॉल्ड विंग स्पैन of any living bird and is capable of remaining in the air without beating its wings for several hours at a time. That is albatross. Students, now number 10. Birds with biggest eyes. As you can see, कितनी बड़ी eyes है, इसकी diameter कितना होता है मैं आपको बताती हूँ. This bird has the largest eyes as compared to any लैंड एनिमल के कंपैरिजन में उसकी आईज इतनी बड़ी बड़ी होती हैं. ईच आई कैन बी अप टू 2 inches in diameter. नाउ आंसर इज ऑस्ट्रिच. यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड अबाउट दिस. बर्ड विद लार्जेस्ट फील्ड विजन, मतलब बहुत दूर तक देख सकता है। अब देखो इसमें बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है बच्चों। द आईज ऑफ दिस वीडिंग बर्ड आर सेट सो फार बैक in its head that is it has a 360-degree field of vision enabling it to see all around and even over the tops of its head. वुडकॉक, समझे बच्चों, ये इसकी आइज़ मतलब पूरा रोटेट कर सकता था। इसकी आइज़ थोड़ा सा इस साइड पे होती हैं ऐसे, तो ये पूरा देख सकता है 360 डिग्री, इवन ये ऊपर भी देख सकता है। सच अ वंडरफुल बर्ड ना, वुडकॉक। नंबर 12, फास्टेस्ट फ्लाइंग बर्ड, जो सबसे ज़्यादा फास्ट फ्लाई करता है। दिस बर्ड कैन अटेन अ स्पीड ऑफ 250 mph. इट इज़ फाउंड इन एवरी कॉन्टिनेंट एक्सेप्ट एंटार्क्टिका। एंटार्क्टिका के अलावा सारे कॉन्टिनेंट्स में मिलता है। दैट इज़ पेरिग्रीन फैल्कन। स्टूडेंट्स, नंबर 10, बुक्स एंड कैरेक्टर्स। स्टूडेंट, बुक्स आर आवर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. We love to read books and gain our knowledge. Books are such a very good friend of ours, and the creators create our characters in such a way that we begin to feel as if they are real. होता है ना ऐसा? तो now in this chapter we are going to read some books and characters. First point, Binya is a character of a novel named The Blue Umbrella by Ruskin Bond. Full name is Binya Devi. Number 2, character Elizabeth Bennet, creator Jane Austen, and the book name is Pride and Prejudice. Number 3, Juliet. This is a tragedy by William Shakespeare named Romeo and Juliet. Number 4, The Hatter, Lewis Carroll, and the book name is Alice Adventures in Wonderland. Buck. Buck is a character of a book named The Call of a Wild, and he plays a role of a big-hearted dog in this book by Jack London. Number 6, character name is Professor Quirrell, and the creator is J.K. Rowling. Book's name is Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. You must have read about it. The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. It is an 1876 novel written by Mark Twain, and the character name is Aunt Polly. It is a story of a boy who grown up along the Mississippi River. Number 8, बहुत सुना होगा आपने, टीवी में देखा भी होगा, मोगली by Rudyard Kipling. The book name is The Jungle Book. Students, it is a story of a boy named Mowgli who grown up in the jungle and brought up by the pack of wolves. And the 9th is Pip, Charles Dickens, and the book name is Great Expectations. Number 10, character name Friday by Daniel Defoe, and the book name is Robinson Crusoe. Now, Treasure Island by R.L. Stevenson, and the character, the main leader role is Long John Silver. Tinker Bell is a fictional story by J.M. Barrie, and the book name is Peter Pan. Students, chapter 11, First Among Indians. There are many of the prominent figures who have achieved a lot in Indian history and set a benchmark for us. Let us discuss them and try to identify them one by one. Number 1 is name the first Indian Chief Justice of India. He was the first Chief Justice of India, Justice Harilal J. Kenia. Number 2, name the first Indian Governor of the British Province. Province means administration division of a British area. Who was he? Lord S.P. Sinha. 3. Name the first Indian in space. Who went first in space? Name Squadron Leader Rakesh Sharma. आप लोगों ने सबने इसके बारे में बहुत सुना होगा. Number 4. Name the first Indian woman to conquer the Everest. Bachendri Pal. Student, Bachendri Pal was awarded the 3rd highest civilian award, Padma Bhushan, by the government of India. Number 5, name the first woman judge of Supreme Court. First woman judge the Supreme Court की, she was Mohammed Fatima Bibi. And the sixth is name the first president of Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress फॉर्म हुई थी ना 1885 में, तो फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट थे उनके WC बनर्जी. Number 7, name the first Indian Air Chief Marshal. He was Arjun Singh. Number 8, name the first scientist to get Bharat Ratna award. This is the first of the prestigious award named Bharat Ratna. And who got it? The first scientist, C.V. Raman. Number 9, name the first president of Indian Union, and he also drafted the constitution. He was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Number 10, name the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize. Students, Nobel Prize is a set of annual international prizes which is given in different categories like science, culture and art. Rabindranath Tagore. Number 10th answer is Rabindranath Tagore. And 11th is name the first Indian prince and test cricketer who played for English cricket team. He was K.S. Ranjit Singh. Number 12, name the first scientist president of India. He was the 11th president of India and his name is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was scientist also. We all are familiar to his name. So students, we are finishing here. Keep in touch. Thank you.